Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today we are reviewing the Vantrue E360 5.2K 360 degrees panoramic dashcam. Click the link below for the best price. Let's start with what makes this dashcam truly stand out: 5.2K 360 degrees panoramic recording. The E360 features a unique dual STARVIS 2 sensor system that captures high-resolution video from both the front and interior, covering every angle around your vehicle. It stitches footage seamlessly to provide a complete 360-degree view, eliminating blind spots and capturing crucial details from any direction. The front camera records at a crisp 5.2K resolution, delivering razor-sharp video with rich color and contrast. Combined with HDR, high dynamic range, you get balanced exposure in both bright daylight and low light conditions, which is critical for reading license plates, capturing road signs, or recording small details during fast motion. On the interior side, the Vantrue E360 features 8 infrared night vision LEDs and the same STARVIS 2 image sensor, providing crystal clear interior footage, even in total darkness. Whether it's late-night rideshare passengers, break-ins, or vandalism, this system captures it all in full clarity. This model is equipped with 5 GHz Wi-Fi for ultra-fast video transfers to your smartphone, and the companion app makes it easy to preview, download, and manage your footage on the go. No more fumbling with microSD cards, everything is accessible right from your phone. It also includes built-in GPS, which logs your precise location, speed, and route directly onto your videos. This is incredibly useful for insurance claims, incident reports, or reviewing road trips. And it's fully timestamped with GPS-coordinated accuracy. One of the E360's biggest strengths is its 24/7 buffered parking mode. Unlike basic motion detect systems, this model uses advanced event-triggered recording with pre-recording buffers. That means it captures a few seconds before and after an impact or motion is detected, so you never miss critical moments, even while parked. To enable full parking mode and LTE notifications, the dashcam supports optional LTE connectivity, giving you real-time access to your dashcam remotely. Whether you're at work, on vacation, or at home, you can receive alerts, view live footage, and download clips instantly, adding a whole new layer of vehicle security. Navigation and setup are incredibly smooth thanks to the built-in touchscreen display. The interface is intuitive and responsive, allowing you to swipe through recordings, adjust settings, and monitor live video feeds with ease. You can even rotate and zoom on panoramic views directly on the screen. Storage is expandable up to 512 GB, giving you tons of room for high-resolution recordings. Loop recording ensures the oldest files are overwritten first, but you can also lock important clips manually or automatically during impacts using the built-in G sensor. Design-wise, the Vantrue E360 is sleek and compact. Despite all of its tech, it fits neatly behind the rear-view mirror and keeps your windshield clean and clutter-free. The mount is adjustable, secure, and easy to install with minimal wiring. It supports USB-C for faster data and power delivery. You also get voice alerts, customizable video lengths, wide dynamic range control, and flexible recording modes. The dashcam can handle extreme temperatures, making it a reliable companion in hot summers and freezing winters alike. To summarize, the Vantrue E360 isn't just a dashcam, it's a full 360-degree surveillance and security system for your vehicle. With 5.2K video resolution, dual STARVIS 2 sensors, HDR, night vision, 5 GHz Wi-Fi, GPS, touchscreen, parking protection, LTE support, and 512 GB storage capacity, it's one of the most advanced and complete dashcams available right now. Click the link below for the best price on the Vantrue E360 5.2K dashcam. Capture every angle, every moment, and protect what matters most, day or night.